they are the winner.
Okay. We can say and say.
No, we just do this.
No, yeah, you do that and I'll just be
Target me. Done.
Okay, I'll write here. We don't see. I'll write the answers here.
How is it?
I'm like sitting normal.
Like intro.
Casually use it. Okay.
Intro. No.
Wait for stand. Okay.
Unchi principal, you're not in the middle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Please do. Yes, you have to. We are very close. We are not
Please
close to
do.
800, but I want to reach 800. No,
I have to wear makeup and come
No,
every
not
time. on a
800.
video.
She should reach 1000 now. She should reach, guys. This much what?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
I'm already taking her autographs and keeping it, laminating it. So once she gets famous, please buy it from me in black money.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a
यार इसको यहाँ पे भी business करना है.
As you all are like loving us three, and I've got such good, comments and what do you say,
Sweet comments.
Yeah, sweet comments saying that you guys love watching us three together, making fun videos and all of that. So here I am with them again. So today what we're going to do is we are going to take up who
Knows
knows
you
me
well.
better. Yeah, who knows me well or who knows me better. I know obviously I can't compare that on the basis of how much whatever they're going to answer. Like a quick disclaimer, I'm not gonna judge, or you guys are not gonna judge them based on how much they answer rightly. It's all fun. It's all for fun and entertainment.
She's telling all this because she and Pradnya are friends from past.
Yeah, so but I will try
6-7 years.
But I will try to include the questions like recent questions, like very you
fine.
also can answer.
Fine.
I'll be fair to both of you all.
Fine.
That's not being fair to me.
Yeah,
Okay.
No.
No.
That is fair.
Okay. So I'm very excited. So what I'll do is I'll tell them the question and I will write the right answer on this, and none of y'all are going to peep into this, okay? Because there's no other way. I don't want to waste paper. I don't want to waste anything.
see what is there.
So, am I a sunset or sunrise kind of a person? Wait.
I'm so confused. It depends on her mood. Okay.
I think I know.
I'll
But
just
let's
like-
see.
wait,
I think okay.
So 3, 2, 1, go.
Sunset. Sunset.
It's sunset.
Dude, you're the one who said 5 o'clock we'll go drink tea.
Yeah,
we'll
but
go
that
and see
is-
sunrise.
yeah,
and
that
all
is there.
different.
Always
Mostly-
the fantasy she gives me.
Mostly she goes to beach and
Yeah,
and she
I
loves to
know.
spend
No,
her
why I
evening
said no,
there.
I love sunrise also, and recently I told her about sunrise, like I was going to watch this thing and all.
This is
But what
cheating.
happened? No, why I told you all to
No,
see
but
other
most of
conditions
the
because I
times,
wouldn't,
yeah.
I wouldn't like wake
Wake
up
up,
so
yeah, she
until
won't.
and
I
unless
should have thought that you're
You know, I thought one thing I thought she doesn't wake up early. How she'll go for sunrise?
yeah,
whatever.
So the next one. 3. Okay. Am I? Would I prefer dark or light colors? Okay, dark or light.
If you change your opinion based on recent trends, I'll kill you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Dark.
Oh my god!
Okay, correct. Dark. Okay, what will make up my mood? Like, what will make my mood happy? Dance or if somebody gives me kebab? I know this is a very tricky question. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kebab.
Yeah, kebab.
Oops.
Obviously, kebab.
Oh my god, this is
kebab
like my
a
friendship
favorite.
test. I'm feeling so scared.
Kebab is her favorite.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
what I know.
Am I a beach kind of beach or what do you say? Beach or mountains?
No, beach is near your house. You always die there.
You are a beach person. You
Actually,
don't have
she's
to.
a beach
and I wouldn't have
person, yeah.
patience to climb the
Nah,
mountains.
she's
also.
just
Yeah.
a beach person that we all know.
Okay,
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 points
okay.
for us.
Okay. Yeah, so I just googled some question because this video was very random. So next question is crush or no crush?
What? What does that mean? Like, will you have crush or will you have no crush?
Yeah.
Will
3,
you have a crush or will you have no crush?
no crush. 3, 2, 1, go.
Crush.
She's right.
Yeah, you won't have
I-
crush on anyone.
Like celebrities ka is different,
Yeah,
but in real
no, she
life
doesn't have crushes at all.
I never had crush also, like except for
No,
like,
I don't
celebrities
think
and all.
she even gets crushes. Like, it's same like me. I don't get crushes.
I get crushes, guys. My current crush is Aditya Roy Kapoor.
No,
Guys,
celebrity wise is different. Celebrity wise,
I don't get
people and
crushed
all.
so easily.
Just show her a middle finger. She's like, I don't get crushes and all. It's
So 3, 2,
What?
3.
For what?
Next question. Oh yeah.
Like, for what?
Don't add that.
I'm like 3, 2, 1. She's like what?
Tell the question, then you say 3, 2, 1. This is, I think this was some
Okay,
mind game.
okay, wait, I'm 3, 2, 1. Next question is comfy or pretty? 3, 2, 1.
Wait, come like you.
Comfy, I would prefer comfy or I would prefer pretty. Pretty. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Pretty.
She late answer. Okay, yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
Next one, but summer or winter? 3, 2,
Wait, let us think.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know, man. You are
Three.
like. Okay, I'll tell.
Is she getting power by doing this from that time? She's doing this.
Tell.
I'm thinking. 3, 2, 1, go.
Winter.
Oh, I didn't write the answer, but it's winter.
Yeah.
Dude, यहाँ पे winter होती नहीं तेरे को कैसे पता winter कैसी होती है?
But I would.
Don't
I'll
get
wait
too offended,
summer.
okay? She likes winter. Don't insult her Mangalore.
There is no winter in Bangalore.
There is our type of winter.
Yeah, for us,
There is only
literally-
rain.
No,
for us,
there is
it's
our
raining
type of-
outside.
Yeah, that is
So
only
she'll
winter.
dance in rain, okay?
For us, if it rains, that is only winter. That
Okay,
is only
so
rain.
Avantika was like, okay, let me choose summer because there's no winter in Bangalore.
Yeah, there is no
Bangaloreans-
and listen. In this.
Talking or texting? 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
Talking.
True.
Oh my god, she talks a lot.
Next one, no like call wise or like text wise. 3, 2.
More?
You know why this happens? I see a question that I have to ask y'all. Then I feel like I asked.
Okay.
This is very easy. Girly girl or tomboy? 3, 2, 1, go.
Girly girl.
That is true. Next one is sneakers or heels? 3, 2, 1, go.
Heels.
This one you announce.
Oh my
I
god.
can announce it.
1 second.
Bangalore.
Me being a stylist, seeing the torture of someone wearing heels in beach. I can't even leave her. I can't even
Imagine,
judge her.
imagine if I can wear heels in the beach. Imagine what
Guys,
kind
you
of
have seen
hardship I
her-
can face. What
Wait,
kind
wait.
of tough
You have
situations I
seen
can
her Goa vlog, and in our entire stay in Goa, she was in her heels.
Oh my god, when we had
Even
to
in
climb,
beach?
we had to climb rocks and she was in heels, and I'm just like,
some other
Fine.
talent, you know.
Fine.
Other
it's-
talent.
maybe
She's
it's
like,
just
I
fake
get
fashion
confidence. She's like, I feel some other confidence. I was
Yeah,
like,
I love
beach.
this.
What confidence do you need in beach?
Okay, next
it's
one.
fine.
Spicy or salty?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah. OCD or messy? 3, 2, 1. go.
Messy.
Eh? What
Messy,
is this?
please,
See,
messy.
please.
Please, if you say no, also you
No,
take
see,
our marks, it's okay.
no, I get OCD.
No,
like,
you get OCD, but you're
OCD,
messy.
More than OCD, you are
You're
messy.
messy. She's messy, and our mom will be watching this video, and she can give us points for this.
Yeah, and you can give us points.
Yeah.
Okay, white or black? 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Black.
Black.
She's waiting for her answer.
No, I don't know if she's correct.
Okay,
Or
next.
tell 3 to 1 in a nice way, not 3 to 1.
Okay, fine. Next
3,
one.
2, like that.
Dress or jeans? 3, 2.
1 second. For which occasion?
That I can't tell. All that if I tell.
Tell
Okay,
3,
fine.
2, 1, go.
Dress.
Dress or jeans? Okay.
What then? That's why you write.
I got this girl.
I can't
You
play
always
this game.
prefer dresses
Yeah.
over jeans.
No, you can't read. What should I do? Small, right? She's not
YouTube.
that cat.
YouTube.
Write down. You have to write down.
No, this I will think.
Wait. She is thinking her own answer.
3, 2. Sorry. I am going.
Ask us.
I have the serious disorder. 3, 2, 1.
Please question.
YouTube. Okay, YouTube or Netflix. 3, 2. Did you all think?
Yeah.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
YouTube.
It's YouTube.
2 hours later.
Where is Google, man? Wait. I'll search.
See.
See, these are the questions.
Next question is city or nature. 3, 2, 1, go.
City.
What are you doing?
I'm still confused. I don't know.
It's
Wait,
city. It's city.
Okay, I
City.
lost.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
So next one is adventure or relax. 3, 2, 1, go.
Adventure.
Oh, I'm very adventurous person. Yeah.
You just now you told you'll be lazy to
No,
climb
but
a mountain.
But she's
adventure. But I would,
adventurous.
yeah, like I would want
She
to
would
like
be dying to do paragliding. and
Okay,
all.
next
Wrong with
is
me, I need to give.
group or yeah, group or alone.
Mm.
3, 2, 1.
Group.
Why you should answer together.
Okay.
She's
Sorry.
copying me, dude.
Oh, please, so many times she has given late
Okay,
answers.
so next one. plan it or wing it. Like plan it in the sense I'll go like plan properly for it. Wing it in the sense no, I'll just do it on the spot. 3, 2, 1, go.
Plan it.
Yeah. Next one. Backpack or suitcase. 3. Did you all? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Backpack.
It's suitcase. I wouldn't be able.
She won't be able to stuff. Oh my god, she literally carried so many things for
Yeah,
Goa.
true, but I have always seen her carrying a
But there's
backpack.
always another suitcase.
I always carry a lot. Okay.
Okay.
Resort or cruise. Resort or cruise. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Resort.
Cruise.
Yeah, cruise, it's yet to happen, so we didn't
Yeah,
know that.
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sightseeing or shopping.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Shopping.
Oh my god,
you guys
know me very well.
didn't see the blush on her face when she said shopping.
Shopping.
Coffee shops or restaurants. 3.
Like to chill or to like what you would go often?
Yeah, what I would go often.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Coffee
Restaurants.
Restaurants.
When she
Coffee
went
shops.
coffee
Dude,
shop.
when we go, we just go to like have a normal.
When we ever had tea.
That's when that's always like instant on the order, right? That's
Not
when
tea burger then.
Yeah, but still. That's when
Let me make it very simple for you guys. When we have cash, we go to nice restaurants. When we don't have cash, we go to small.
And
food.
most
We
of
have-
the time we don't have cash.
Yeah, that is our.
Yeah, bro.
That's
Students, right?
life story. Yeah, that's our life. Okay.
Please
Wake
cut
up.
that part, okay?
Wake up early or sleep in. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sleep in.
Okay. Then use a map or walk aimlessly. 3, 2, 1, go.
Walk
Use a map.
aimlessly. Aimlessly.
Walk aimlessly. That would be more fun, like
Normally
and
you
actually, you know what?
prefer-
One
yeah,
fact
usually
about
you prefer
yeah,
food,
one fun
right?
fact about me is I don't trust map a lot because
Yeah,
most of the
she-
time I have had a very bad
She will
experience.
go. She will take me in and out. But she will not use map.
Map, yeah, that is there.
Okay.
Try local food or eat in a fancy restaurant.
Try.
Local food.
Food.
Try local.
Yeah,
food.
try
This
local
we didn't
food.
need a count also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Next question, I'm very excited. Okay. Bungee jumping or scuba diving.
Okay.
3, 2.
What exactly?
Bungee jumping is that you jump from like full scuba diving. 3,
3,
2, 1, go.
Scuba diving.
It's,
Scuba diving.
Bungee jumping.
Yeah, I told that.
Who said scuba
Scuba
diving?
diving.
Next one is meditating or journaling. 3, 2, 1, go.
Journaling.
Okay. Getting creative or taking a nap. 3, 2, 1, go.
Getting creative.
Oh my god, you guys know me so well. Oh. Soda or tea? 3.
Tea, please.
Then worrying or hoping? 3, 2.
Hoping.
Hoping.
So that's it for the video, guys. So we have come to the end of this challenge, and I don't know who is the winner.
I am
I'll
winner.
have
Hey,
to.
please shut up, okay?
I'll have
I give
to.
so many
Okay,
I'll
she
have
will.
to work
She
on
will.
this while I'm editing. Let me give points to each one of
Yeah.
them, and then see who is the winner. But anyway, the winner doesn't get anything apart from my blessings and my good wishes. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all loved it. I hope you all enjoyed it. With this, I will see you in my next video. And okay, do you all want to say anything? Because
Just subscribe to her channel.
Channel.
Subscribe to her channel,
channel
also.
also.
And
I need a
up-
shout out.
Wait,
Please,
once-
you just I don't see, guys. I'm saving your time to subscribe and all because I don't have a YouTube channel that I operate. So just go and follow me on Instagram.
yeah, please follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram, as I always say, it's very filled with nice content. I mean, hers too. Subscribe to her channel also. We have to, make her reach 500 subscribers very soon. With this, I will end this video, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then,
Lots of love.
Lots of love.
with full Josh, okay, please. once more.
Okay.
Until then, lots of love.